Okay, I should be recording now, but, okay, so, as I was saying, we're still on my Arch Linux setup. I have recently switched from KDE Plasma to a tiling window manager, mainly Hyperland. But we're here, we're playing Phighting on Linux. Pretty wild. Oh, and I accidentally just killed myself. Okay. You know, I'm gonna switch classes here. Instead of subspace, I am gonna be sword. Sure, sword's as basic as it gets, but still, he's pretty damn fun. Oop, and I still managed to kill somebody with my finisher. Let's go. Go. If you guys are wondering how I'm running Roblox, it's through the same program I used to run. Well, it's through the same program I used last video to play Forsaken on Roblox. I used Sober, which it's not like Grapefruit where it just uses Wine to run the Windows version of Roblox. It basically does what Unleashed Recompiled did for Sonic Unleashed with the Android version of Roblox. That's the best way I can simply explain it. Let me double check if this is actually recording. Okay, it is. And I am peeking the hell out of my microphone. Oh god. But, if anyone has the, like, same HP FD laptop that I do, the way to fix your ping issues is to turn off your Wi-Fi power save settings. I can show you, like, what I mean after this match with a game like Sonic Robo Blast 2 that actually shows your ping. Oh, wait, I don't know. But, I was gonna make this a stream, but I decided nah. Plus, I was gonna stream in Mom and Dad's truck, but I decided against it. Get him! Get him! Oh my god, the enemy team's sword is literally one shot. Why can't I get him? Oh shit. Come on, go! Dang it. Defeat. Did good, though. Did good. But let me show you, like, what I'm talking about. I'm going to load Sonic Robo Blast 2 real quick. Oh, where's my controller? Okay, there's my controller. If we look at the servers here, see there's stuff like 57, 144, nothing too unplayable. But initially, like before I turned off the Wi-Fi power save settings, they were all 200 or worse. And I was confused as to why it was like that. Like, I was scrolling through all kinds of Arch Linux forums, like, what the heck am I supposed to be doing here? But it's Arch Linux, and y'all know how Arch Linux is. It is not for beginners. Now, as for if I can daily drive Linux, the answer is actually a resounding yes. Now, you don't have to use any fancy applications to play Sonic Robo Blast 2. All you really need is Flatpak installed, because Sonic Robo Blast 2 has a native Linux build. And hell, some of you guys might know me for, like, my Friday Night Funkin' covers. I can still make them because I've got FL Studio 2024 right here with Wine. And, for, like, Hyperland, shout out to My Linux for Work for the dot files. Because these are really cool. Now, as for a random game to just play on here since I don't have many ideas, this is SuperTuxKart. It's essentially a kart racer featuring Tux, which is the mascot of Linux, as well as the mascots for a bunch of other open source softwares. Oh crap. But I've tested behind the scenes. Yes, all the games I tested on Ubuntu work just fine, so I can still play Sonic Generations, I can still play Devil Connection and all that. I'll probably play the full version of Devil Connection when it comes out on Halloween. You know, I know this game is pretty old, but I actually really like SuperTuxKart. It's some stupid fun, and I love it. Like, as much as I love the complexity of Dr. Robotnik's Ring Racers, SuperTuxKart is still fun for its simplicity. Because it's like free and open source Mario Kart. Maybe I could make a Sonic fan game for Linux. That would be cool. I could probably do that considering Sonic Worlds Next is a Godot project, and you know what's on Linux? Godot. Hey, Google, stop! Hey, Google, stop! Sorry, my Google Home just randomly went off. Hey, and I won the race. Hey, you got a better time than when I was playing this off video. Let's try a level I haven't played before. Cornfield Crossing. Oh crap. Okay, I just ran into the wall. Alright, gotta get going again, gotta get going. I have a really cool idea. What if someone ported these SuperTuxKart tracks to Dr. Robotnik's Ring Races? I honestly think that would be really cool. Okay, come on, can I win this one? Okay, dang it, I accidentally got one of the bananas. The bananas are not good. Oh. Okay, doesn't matter because I won the race anyway. But yeah, that's kind of it for right now. Just decided to make a quick little video. But since this is the final day, the question remains, am I actually going to switch to Linux, or am I going to go back to Windows? And let me think for a moment. You know what? Yes. Yes, I am keeping Linux. Because this has been really fun. This has been really, really fun. Look at my wallpaper. I love my Boy Kisser wallpaper. He's adorable. I love that cat. But yeah, I'm actually gonna stick with Linux for the rest of this laptop's life, I guess. But even when I get a new computer, I'm probably gonna install Linux on it. So, this comes the end of the 7-day Linux challenge, and the start of, well, my Linux renaissance, I guess.